Hello everyone, and this is Miss Kara again. We've been talking about things that sink and things that float for the last 2 weeks. So we completed an experiment with 6 items that Ms. Hitchens and myself sent home with you in your packet. So the new task that you were given was to go around your house and find 4 items that you wanted to test if they would sink or float. So Miss Kara also did that, and so I'm going to do a video of me talking about if my items that I chose sank or floated. So let me show you the items that I chose. So the first item I chose was a spoon. I found this in my kitchen, so I thought, let's see if this sinks or floats. The next item I chose was a Minnie Mouse cookie cutter that I have. For those that know Miss Kara well, you know that I love Disney, so of course I have a Minnie Mouse cookie cutter in my kitchen. So I'm going to see if this sinks or floats. I also have a measuring spoon, so we're going to see what that does as well. And then the last item I picked was a sponge that I use to clean my dishes. So we're going to see if Miss Kara's items either sink or float. And I want you to try the 4 items that you found in your kitchen to see if they sink or float as well. So remember to review, sink means that it goes to the bottom, and that float means that it stays on the top, okay? So you're going to need a glass of water or a big bowl of water. So here's Miss Kara's bowl of water. All right, so first we're going to do the measuring spoon. So first make a prediction before you put it in. I think this is going to float, but let's see. Oh, look, it did. You can see it sitting right there on the top. It is floating. So my prediction was correct. My measuring spoon floated. All right, so let's try another item. The next item I'm going to try is my Minnie Mouse cookie cutter. I think this is going to sink. It's big, so I'm wondering if it'll sink to the bottom. But let's see. Here we go. Oh, it did sink. You can see it at the bottom right there. So I was correct in that prediction as well. It sunk to the bottom. So I have my measuring spoon that floated and my Minnie Mouse cookie cutter that sunk. All right, so that's 2 of my 4 items. So let's do another one. This spoon. So my measuring spoon floated, so I think this is going to float. But let's see. I'll place it in there. Oh, no, it sunk. You can see it down there at the bottom. It's kind of hard to see. Miss Kara will move it. As you can see, it's at the bottom right there. So that sunk. So my prediction wasn't correct, but that's okay. All right, and then my last item is my sponge that I use to clean my dishes. I think this is gonna float. It's really light, so let's see. Oh, look, it is floating. It's starting to sink a little bit, but that's because it's getting full of water, but it's floating. You can see it at the top. All right, so of my 4 items, some sank, some floated. Some of my predictions were correct and some weren't, but that's okay. So make sure that you go around your house and you find 4 items and you see if you think they will sink or float and practice. Do an experiment. And then talk about, well, which items sunk and which items floated. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.